You have to start again. Be on it. Fine, tighten for the lintel. You know, when you miss a concrete at the bulk, wax, meaning you cannot fetch it immediately. So since water is in and the hardening state have started, as water get in, then meaning it will be losing strength from time to time. So when you miss for a long time, it will lose strength. And that's why you can see we don't miss all at once, since they will be deposit little by little. They miss one by one, like using the concrete mixer. It doesn't miss much at a time, and for a certain period, it's going to be cast. So that's it. As you can see, little by little, just two at a time, two at a time. As you can see, the number of people. As you can see, the one we've cast. We are removing the board to support the rest because we don't have enough. As you know, the casting is still ongoing. We don't miss much because when you miss much and it kept long, the strength may start be loosened. But these are the lengths. Later we start forming the gutters. We have to put one block on so that it may raise the height. So that in the rooms, maybe on ceilings and other stuff, you may have the height that you wanted. Shouldn't less for.
Welcome back to the channel, amazing subscribers. I do appreciate you all for being part of this journey till date. And I just want you to know that it's because of you guys, that's why I keep posting, because that's my source of energy and motivation, to keep on with the project. So if it is your first time on the channel, you are always welcome to join the family. You can subscribe to the channel to be part and also like the videos as well. And if you are just a viewer passing by, as always, let's see if today's video will convince you to be part of the family. We are almost at 4K and I'll be much happy if we could get to 4K by the end of the month, which is this week, getting into September. So if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly please do so. And are we ready for today's episode? Then let's go. So let's continue today's video from the staircase area. I wanted to give an update on how it looks now. The bamboo has been removed underneath the staircase and very soon the wood as well. So I just wanted to show you how it looked, the zigzag underneath the staircase. This staircase continues to the third level, and that's where we'll really appreciate the structure of the staircase, because then we will see it hanging, which is very beautiful. For the sake of those who just came to the channel today, seeing this project for the first time, this is a 7-bedroom project with 3 levels. So you have the ground floor, the first floor, and then the second floor. This project sits on a land size of 40 feet by 57 feet. If you are interested to know more about this project, the cost involved till this stage, you can check in my playlist. The name of the project is called Pram Pram Project. You can check in my playlist for more details and information about this project. So now let's get back to the current update of the project. So we casted the beams, which was from the beginning of this video. So we casted the beams, and then the next day we take the wood out. We went to the next stage, to the next phase, and then also casted the other side. So that's how we're trying to go with it, so that we also save wood. We still have to go for the hidden roof gutters, which is the next thing which was supposed to be done today. But if you check the weather, it was raining, so we couldn't do that. But it's also good for the concrete casting of the beams, because just when they were done with the casting of the beams, it started raining the following day. So it's also like a nice break for the water to get into the concrete, to harden it. So it's a nice timing, and I'm really blessed with the kind of flow I'm going with. The weather really helps with the whole process. That's why I always say you should always plan. The timing is very important. The flow is also important. So as you saw in the earlier video, you saw the manpower on site. Everybody was on site, and this is what they were able to do that day, and even laid some blocks on top of the beams. If you can see, the blocks being laid on the beams is for the level of the gutters, so that they get the level of the gut, not to be level, but like the flow, the slope, to get the slope of the gutters. So the slope from the roof to the gutters. So that is why they have one block laid on top of the beams. As you can see, it's about 1 meter. I think it's about 1 meter or so. So that will be the hidden roof gutters. We're gonna cast that the next. Yeah, we couldn't do it because of the rain, as I said, because of the rain. So this is how far we were supposed to go. And I just want to give some information about the hidden roof we're going, because this stage is very interesting. So we're gonna cast half of the building is going to be rooftop terrace, which, so all of this side, the front of the house, which you see now, so all this place is going to be casted, concrete casted, and then half of the building, from the half of the building to the back of the building, is going to be hidden roof. But I think the roofing side won't be that much, because we still have casted hidden roof gutters. So that means from where you see now, from where the wood is now, the beam going to the back, it's all going to be the hidden roof. So you can see it clearly from here. So from here to the back is going to be the hidden, the roofing, and then yeah. So all of this is going to be the, yeah. So as you see, the block is going to be the level for the gutters, and then you have your view from your washroom. This is the washroom area. So you have your view. Yeah, so as you can see from here clearly. So from this stage, so from here to the front is going to be where we're going to cast. It goes straight in front of the house. So that's where we're going to cast as the rooftop terrace, which I'll use this size for a room, just like a penthouse thing, for the vibe, for the view and stuff, and also use half. So this is the back of the house. So from here you can see the demarcation of the house. So on your right hand side you have one bedroom, the left hand side you have one bedroom, which goes all the way to the front of the house. The middle is going to be a living room concept with dining, and also with kitchen, and also a balcony at the back, which you see now. Depending on how the open kitchen goes, if it doesn't go well, then I will use that space as my kitchen. So we see, else I use it as a balcony, as a chill area, in the evening, if you don't want to be in front of the balcony, in front of the house. So then we use that side as a chilled place, as a hidden place. So yeah, this is how far we're going. I'll keep you guys updated as we are going. The house is taking shape, and at this moment I don't know if it's going to be a monster house or it's going to be a beautiful house. We'll see. It's getting to the end of the video now, and I just want you to know that all the beautiful buildings you see around you, regardless of where you live or where you come from, it is possible to build that in Africa. It is possible to build that in Ghana. Maybe not as that big, but maybe a smaller version of the beautiful house you've ever seen on earth is possible to build that regardless. So think about that and start with your project and start to build a lifestyle. I'll see you in the next episode.